I'm so sorry I've been naughty to you, 'cause I'm usually nice when I get a chance to. I know when I'm around your friends I come across as insecure. I lose my head and I act like a fool. I act like a fool. When I'm fueled by alcohol, I make a lot of mistakes. Even though I know I'm falling for you, I keep pushing you away. I keep pushing you away. It's difficult for me to tell you how I feel. I'm so used to being trampled on in insincerity. I've taken all the punches, I've taken all the knocks, but I wouldn't change a thing, and I would not replace the clocks. But I'm still not okay, so you get farther and farther away. Maybe I'll never make you happy the way I did when we were dancing in the rain. 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 I may never feel this way again. When we were dancing in the rain. What do you think?